Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today, we be diving deep into one of the most exciting and potentially explosive narratives in the crypto space, the DePIN, or Decentralized Physical Infrastructure Networks. Forget the hype coins with no substance. We're talking about projects with real-world utility that are building the infrastructure of tomorrow today. And the best part? We're still early. I've just spent countless hours researching to bring you my top 5 DePIN projects that I believe could have the potential to 50x by 2026. As always, this isn't financial advice, just my personal research and opinions to help you on your own journey. So grab a notepad, because you won't want to miss this. First, let's quickly break down what DePIN is. Imagine services like Uber, Airbnb, or even your internet provider. But instead of a big corporation controlling everything, they're run by a global community of users. People like you and me can contribute resources like spare computing power, storage space, or even bandwidth and get rewarded in crypto. It's about building a more efficient, democratic, and user-owned internet and physical world. The potential market for this is in the trillions of dollars, and that's why the gains could be astronomical. All right. Let's kick off our top 5 with a project that's already making serious waves, Arweave. Arweave isn't just another cloud storage solution. It's aiming to be the permanent hard drive of the internet. Think of it as the Library of Alexandria for the digital age, but one that can't be burned down or censored. It achieves this through a unique technology called the perma-web, where you pay a one-time fee to store data forever. This is a game changer for archiving historical records, preserving academic research, and securing the data behind countless dApps and NFTs. As more of our lives move online, the need for permanent, verifiable storage will only grow. Arweave is perfectly positioned to capture this demand, making it a foundational layer for the entire Web3 ecosystem. The long-term vision here is simply massive. Coming in at number 4 is Render. If you're a creator, designer, or gamer, listen up. Render is a decentralized GPU rendering network. High-quality CGI and digital art require immense computational power, often costing creators a fortune and taking ages to render. Render solves this by connecting people who need GPU power with a global network of idle GPUs. It's faster, cheaper, and more scalable than traditional cloud rendering services. With the rise of the metaverse, AI, and high-fidelity gaming, the demand for GPU power is exploding. Render is a clear leader in this space, with major artists and studios already using the platform. It's a classic example of a DePIN project solving a very real, very expensive problem. The tokenomics are also designed to reward network participants, creating a powerful flywheel effect as the network grows. Next up, at number 3, we have a project that's tackling the multi-trillion-dollar telecommunications industry. Helium. Helium started by building a decentralized wireless network for Internet of Things devices, often called the People's Network. Users set up small hotspots in their homes and provide lower RWA coverage, earning HNT tokens in return. This created a massive, cost-effective network for things like smart sensors and trackers. But they didn't stop there. Helium has now expanded into 5G, allowing individuals to run their own mini-cell towers and provide mobile data service. This is a direct challenge to the big telecom giants. Imagine getting your phone service from a network owned by its users, not a massive corporation. The ambition is huge, and while they face challenges, the potential to disrupt such a massive, centralized industry makes Helium a project you absolutely have to watch. Our number 2 pick is a project that's creating the data backbone for our increasingly connected world, ILNet. This one is a powerhouse in the decentralized GPU compute space, but with a specific focus on AI and machine learning. We all know AI is the future, but training AI models requires colossal amounts of computing power, more than most companies can afford. ILNet aggregates GPUs from underutilized sources like independent data centers, crypto miners, and even other networks like Render and Filecoin, creating a massive, on-demand internet of GPUs. They're essentially becoming the Airbnb for GPUs, specifically for AI companies. This makes AI development more accessible and affordable, accelerating innovation across the board. By tapping into this insatiable demand for AI compute, Net is positioning itself at the epicenter of the biggest technological revolution of our time. It's a high-conviction play on the future of artificial intelligence. And now, for my number one DePIN project that I believe could see a 50x return by 2026, Akash Network. Akash is the supercloud for Web3, a decentralized open-source cloud computing marketplace. Think of it as a direct competitor to Amazon Web Services, Google Cloud, and Microsoft Azure, but decentralized and often up to 85% cheaper. Here's the magic. Akash allows anyone with a computer to become a cloud provider, leasing out their unused CPU. On the other side, developers can deploy their applications in a permissionless, censorship-resistant, and incredibly cost-effective way. This is crucial for the entire crypto ecosystem. As more decentralized applications are built, they need a decentralized cloud to run on. Relying on centralized giants like AWS is a critical vulnerability for Web3. Akash solves this. It's the foundational infrastructure for a truly decentralized internet. The combination of massive cost savings, censorship resistance, and its vital role in Web3's future makes Akash my top pick for explosive growth in the DePIN sector. So there you have it. Arweave, Render, Helium, IONET, and Akash. 5 projects with real utility, strong communities, and the potential to reshape massive industries. The DePIN narrative is not just hype. It's about building tangible, real-world infrastructure that's owned and operated by the people. We are at the very beginning of this revolution, similar to the early days of the internet. The road ahead will have its ups and downs, so always do your own research and invest wisely. But the projects that succeed in this space won't just deliver incredible returns. They'll fundamentally change how our world works. If you found this breakdown valuable, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more deep dives into the future of crypto. Let me know in the comments which DePIN project you're most excited about, or if there's another gem I should have on my radar. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.